Today in your reading mini lesson, you learned that you can cover the prefix or suffix and take apart the base word first. So for example, in the word instantly, you can cover up the suffix ly, the ly, and break apart instant, instant, and then add the ly back on to get instantly. Also, for the word unzip, cover up the prefix un and look at zip, sound that out, and then add the un back on to have unzip. Today, while you are reading, if you come to a new word, break it apart into parts to help you read it. If it has a prefix or suffix, try covering that up to help make it into a more understandable chunk that is easier to read for you. And make sure you bring your book with you that you were reading, or be ready to share what words you came across when we get back together after the lesson.